Yes, that you do that.
Over a garbage bag or something.
Cece's gonna open some presents.
Is she?
Cece's gonna open some presents.
Oh boy, Boodle. That's yours. That's right.
You gonna open?
Go ahead. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Look at that. Yeah. With surprise inside. More balls. Yeah.
That's nice. Oh boy, it has balls inside.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh boy, boy.
Paper.
Ooh.
It's for me. It's for me and Katie and Uncle Springy. When they were off in Europe.
No.
Here's another one. Let's see.
No. I know, Dad.
Do you need
Nope.
scissors or anything?
Boodle.
Okay, just a second. Cece. Oh, baby. Oh,
the
So
baby.
you got a winner here.
The
she's
baby.
beside herself.
Wow.
Oh, nice baby.
The one I got her had to send back.
Really?
She got her baby Stella.
I was so proud of myself I got this baby Stella. And when you guys were in, Susan said, look, we got
Oh,
the
she had it in
car
the
and there was
car.
baby Stella. I said, oh, Susan, I got her baby Stella.
Who's baby Stella? Just a baby. Oh,
It's a cloth baby.
gotcha. Do you want me to get a picture? Nice baby.
Oh.
Oh, baby.
It's your berry, but you can't see. That's the thing. Then she sees something else. Now she wants berry, and then you let go, and then you fall off like you did last time. Oh, okay. Let go of berry. Let me have berry. Here we go. Ready?
Hey.
Here we go.
Hey.
Oh,
Yay. Yay. Yay.
Can you show her how to rock back and forth? Whoa. We're listing. We listing.
Ah. Yay.
good girl.